Holy shit.
Imagine steering a colossal truck down a narrow, frozen road. One wrong move, and hundreds of tons of steel and equipment could tip into chaos. Today, we're diving into the world of extreme, oversized transportation, where the machines are gigantic, the risks are real, and only the best dare to take the wheel. Hold on tight. You're about to witness the most breathtaking, oversized truck operations ever captured on camera. On Highway A15 near Papendrecht, a fully loaded tanker truck tips over, blocking traffic and creating a massive hazard. Enter the rescue team armed with inflatable airbags. Yes. Powerful pneumatic cushions are strategically placed under the truck. Slowly, methodically, they lift the steel giant back onto its wheels, minimizing damage. It's a high-stakes ballet where timing and technique mean everything. Urban streets offer no mercy. A truck driver in a busy city attempts a brutal 90-degree turn with an oversized load, police escorts and workers directing every move, inches away from disaster at every corner. You can almost feel the tension in the air.
Опа!
Winter adds its own brutal twist. On icy roads, a giant absorption column crawls through the snow. One slip on the slick surface, and months of planning could turn into disaster. Moving oversized cargo in freezing temperatures. That's a whole different level of skill. Meanwhile, in Minnesota, a truck hauls a beam so long, it's hard to believe your eyes. 183 feet. That's longer than a Boeing 737. Navigating streets with a load that massive isn't just about driving. It's a team effort. Spotters walk alongside, communicating constantly. One wrong move could spell catastrophe. Would you trust yourself to guide something this enormous through busy intersections? In Russia, 6 enormous storage tanks, each one towering over the surrounding vehicles, are loaded for transport. The sheer size of the operation is jaw-dropping. Sometimes it's not just the size, it's the shape. The company carefully hauls a massive circular structure, unique, bulky, and incredibly awkward to balance. Every curve in the road tests the driver's skill and the trailer's design. A 130-ton heat exchanger, 5 meters wide and 19 meters long, is in motion. Moving such a behemoth demands specialized platforms and days of careful maneuvering. In the heart of Tobolsk, logistics legend Mammoet transports 2 industrial columns weighing over 900 tons, building a bridge just to cross the terrain.
Уйди нахуй!
In South Carolina, Mammoet takes on a jaw-dropping mission, transporting a generator weighing 862 tons. The ground shakes under its power. An orange X5 500 mega excavator makes its way to Fort McMurray. Loaded onto a massive multi-axle trailer, a convoy follows behind through rugged landscapes. Extreme oversized truck transportation isn't just logistics. It's adrenaline, engineering, and human grit working against the odds. Next time you see a wide load sign on the highway, give those drivers a little extra respect. Because behind every oversized operation lies a story of precision, strength, and nerves of steel.